Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar tumbled to its lowest level in 3 years as investor confidence in the US economy took another hit over President Donald Trump's attacks on the Federal Reserve chairman, potentially putting the central bank's independence under threat. Gold surged above $3,400 to a record high on Monday, as the dollar weakened and uncertainty over the economic impact of US-China trade tensions spurred demand for safe haven bullion. US stocks suffered steep losses as US President Donald Trump ramped up his attacks on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, prompting investors to worry about the central bank's independence, even as they grapple with the effects of Trump's ongoing erratic trade war.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.